I'm Niki Davis. I am a medical doctor and I am board certified in both family medicine and lifestyle medicine. But I wasn't always a doctor, so I actually started out as a mechanical engineer working on the space shuttle program, which was a lot of fun and it was exciting. But once I learned about eating plant-based and how eating more plants can actually help treat and even reverse chronic lifestyle-related diseases, I just became very passionate about it. And instead of wanting to work on rockets, I wanted to help people eat more plants. Eating a healthy diet, getting enough exercise, getting good quality sleep, staying away from harmful substances, having good relationships. So there's so many different things. I will say that for a lot of people who are struggling with chronic lifestyle related disease, diet number one. Okay, that's where you're going to get most of your benefit. Now, of course, if you're sleeping 1 hour a night, then absolutely that's going to be top priority. But diet is a big thing. Now, for diabetes specifically, exercise is also super important because in your body uses insulin to help blood sugar get into the cells. There's another way to do that without insulin, and that's exercise. So exercise also helps blood sugar get into the cells. So it's kind of like a secret way of getting blood sugar into the cells. So that's where if you are diabetic, absolutely exercise is important to help move that blood sugar into the cells without having to use insulin to begin with. But yes, all of the other pillars are super important. And that's something that, when I meet with my patients, we talk a lot about diet, but we also talk about some of those other things too, because if you're struggling with getting enough sleep, that's going to affect everything. It's going to make weight loss difficult. You may have elevated blood pressure from that. You're going to have a hard time managing stress if you're not getting enough sleep. So all of those things are really important too. It kind of depends on where people are starting, but I will say that overall, just this general feeling of feeling good, not having your stomach fighting against you with every meal. There's a lot of, 97% of Americans aren't getting enough fiber in their diet. So once people start actually getting fiber in their diet, they're having regular bowel movements, they're not constipated anymore, they're not bloated anymore. When they eat, it actually fuels them instead of makes them feel lethargic or just not feel good. So that's a big one that people see. People who have difficulty with weight loss, that is something that makes a huge difference once you start making those changes. So I know a lot of people struggle with being overweight or obese, and once you start eating the right foods, that is something that we see right away. One of the other quick changes that I'll see in people who are making lifestyle changes is blood pressure. So that's, for most people, pretty quick. And so we have to get people off medications pretty quickly. So if you're on blood pressure medications, absolutely, I would recommend eating more plant foods because that makes a huge difference. So I'd say that those are some of the big things that we see right away in people who are eating more plants.